good loves? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see by the title of this video, I am back with another wig review. I hope that everybody had a very holly jolly Christmas and happy holidays and happy New Year's. So the wig that I received is by Charmanty hair. Right off the bat, I love the packaging of this wig. I love the huge box and all of the extra items that came inside. So the wig that I am reviewing is Charmanty's Flawless 99J 180% density wig, and she is a 13x4 invisible lace frontal human hair wig. The hair is soft and silky, and she is in 26 inches. I received my wig 5 days after putting in my order, so shipping is not bad, and I'll be sure to have the link of the wig that I'm wearing in this video down in the description below if you are wanting to check it out. So I'm just cutting the wig a little bit on the sides just to frame my head. I did bleach the knots and pluck the wig off camera, and since today is Christmas, this is going to be my Christmas wig. I am going to be installing this wig, so I want to make sure that this wig is not going anywhere. I am going to take 3 layers of glue, and you want to make sure when you're gluing down your wig, you want to wait until your glue clears or turns clear in between each layer. So I will be installing this unit and styling it, so I will be back with my final thoughts and commentary on this segment, so stay tuned for that.
Everything's so fine. I just town in the A4. Picture my signature on a pair of some J4s. Picture me caring what niggas saying on Wi-Fi they don't pay for. Knew I needed love, but I think I value the hate more. To push towards things that I pray for. Retrograde energy shifts to what I was made for. Don't you dare hit me back with no case, sure. Soon as I tell you that you the one I would wait for. You too saucy, too flossy.
So here's the finished look. I just styled the hair with some curls and I decided to do like a deep side part. And the color eats. This is such a beautiful wig. The hair is super soft and the color of this unit is very vibrant. And you know I'm a sucker for red, honey. Oh, and FYI, this wig kind of does run small. So for my big head friendly girls, that's just a reminder. This is not for the big heads, honey. I mean, I kind of had to do a little tugging and wiggling, but we got her on. The hair is super full and luscious. And the hair looks beautiful curled or straight. But I am definitely digging these curls. Minus the shedding and the small cap, I give this wig an 8 out of 10. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.